Today, we're counting down top 10 fastest trains in the world, summer 2019. Number 10, THSR 700T, 186 miles per hour. Number 9, ETR 500 Fresh Shia Rosa, 186 miles per hour. Number 8, SNCF TGV Duplex, 198 miles per hour. Number 7, Alstom Euro Duplex, 198 miles per hour. Number 6, E5 Series Shinkansen Hayabusa, 198 miles per hour. Number 5, Talgo 350, 217 miles per hour. Number 4, Siemens Valero E/AVS 103, 217 miles per hour. Number 3, AGV Italo, 223 miles per hour. Number 2, Harmony CRH 380A, 236 miles per hour. Number 1, Maglev 267 miles per hour. For more great videos, subscribe, like, and share. Till next time, stay fun, stay family, stay fast. Peace.